Hello, this is teen librarian Rachel, and I'm here with another healthy teen snack hack. We are coming up upon cookie season in our calendar year with the many holidays coming up, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the simplest cookie there is to make. We know from our friends at SHIP, which is the School Health Initiative program, that a good healthy snack has 2 or more food groups in it. Food groups that are actually gonna benefit you nutritionally. So not only is this easy, 2 ingredients, but it's pretty good for you and it'll give you some of the fuel you need to get through the holiday season. Okay, so let's get started on our 2 ingredient banana oatmeal cookies. Okay, so what you're gonna need, again, very simple. You're gonna need a bowl and a spoon. And here's the recipe. 2 bananas, the riper the better, and quick oats. Not your instant oatmeal, 1 cup of quick oats, 2 bananas. Here we go. Sometimes if I have bananas in the house and they are going bad and I know that I don't have time to make something out of them, then I will actually just peel them and throw them in the freezer. They look a little brown and icky when you take them out, but they are still great for baking. So we've got our 2 bananas. I'm gonna start breaking them down a little bit. 2 bananas, 1 cup of quick cooking oats. All right, and then you're just gonna mash and mix until it is all incorporated. So you're gonna see I'm mashing and mashing and mashing to get it all nice and incorporated. You want it to be as consistent as possible. You can see right here I've got like a big random chunk of banana. We don't want that. We want it to be nicely incorporated. That's why I like this wooden spoon. It sort of helps me to mash really nicely. One of the things I like about this cookie is I usually use it as like a grab and go breakfast. I'm not good about making time for breakfast in the morning, but if I make a batch of these, I will grab one and I'll just eat it in the car on my way to work because I've got, it's pretty much oatmeal to go, which is really kind of nice. The 2 bananas, 1 cup of quick oats is your base. From here, you can add on what you like. A lot of people add chocolate chips. You can add a little whiff of cinnamon, which is always nice. What I am gonna add is some craisins. The nice thing about craisins, these are a lower sugar version, and cranberries are gonna give you some extra fiber. It also makes a really beautiful color if you wanna make a quick batch up for some friends for the winter holidays. Okay, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees if you have not yet. And now we've got our mixture and we wanna get our baking sheet ready. You're gonna wanna line your baking sheet with parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, some nonstick cooking spray will be just fine. Now you're gonna go ahead and add tablespoon size, cookie size drops all over your parchment paper. Okay, here we go. I've got them. I'm gonna get rid of some of these little pieces on the side because I don't want those to burn while my cookies are trying to get cooked through. Ta-da! Okay, here we go. We're gonna put them over into our 350 degree preheated oven. And I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer for 15 minutes. The recipe I'm adapting this from says 17 minutes, but I always like to check it just a little earlier. Can't go back from being burnt, but you can always leave it in a little bit of extra time if you want. Okay, it's time to check on my cookies. First, let me grab, safety first, a little oven mitt, and I placed down a little cork pad to put my hot pan on, and then a cooling rack to put my cookies on so they cool. Remember, you don't want to put that hot pan down on anything that it might melt. And I should tell you, I kind of snuck in and did a little bit of this, so I can tell that it's a nice firm cookie. Oh yeah, you can see they're a little brown on the edges. So I'm gonna wanna sit these here and wait for them to get cool, make sure no little kiddos in my house run up and touch this hot pan, and make sure no one comes and steals any of my cookies before I have one first. Okay, here I am. You're catching me once again with my morning coffee, which is the time that I love to have these banana cookies. especially on the days that I don't have time to sit and have a nice cup of coffee and breakfast and wake up. These are perfect. Grabbing and throwing in a little baggie or having it in a napkin and just grab and go. Maybe eat it on your way to school or eat it at the bus stop when you don't have time. All right, so here we go. I often thought that this would be a great way to enjoy banana bread, which I love. If, for example, you can't eat eggs. I know some people can't eat eggs or they have certain allergies and they wouldn't be able to eat a regular banana bread. This is very, very easy. Remember, you're talking about a little over a cup of quick cooking rolled oats, 2 mashed bananas that are ripe. But again, it can be a good snack, great like grab and go breakfast to get you started in the morning, and very, very easy. This isn't even a recipe you're probably gonna have to write down. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed learning to make another healthy, quick snack hack. And I hope to see you soon around Williamsburg Regional Library.
Hi, I'm Liz Callan, the culinary educator with SHIP, the School Health Initiative Program of the WJCC Schools. And today we're going to talk a little bit about healthy snacks. So healthy snacks have 2 or more food groups, and these banana oats cookies have 2 food groups. They are made out of oats, which are grains, and fruits, which are bananas. These are the healthiest, easiest, best fast cookie I've ever seen. I couldn't believe how fast and great they were to make. So the bananas are adding some potassium to our diet and some vitamins, and then oats are full of fiber and also are good for lowering bad cholesterol. So all in all, this is a super healthy snack.